Hi there! Today the starter conversation is about getting toys we might not need. Watch the video to learn more. Subscribe now while you are watching. Mom, can I get this toy? Ever been in a store and seen a toy you just had to have? Please, Mom, I need it. It feels like the world will end if you don't get that toy, right? But then, your parent looks stressed. How many times have you seen that look? How do they explain that you can't get everything you want without making you upset? It's tricky, right? Every kid has been there. It's almost like a rite of passage. You're in the store just looking around and then, bam! You spot something shiny and new. You see a toy and suddenly it's the most important thing in the world. Mom, I need it. It's like your whole world depends on that one toy. I can't live without it. The drama is real and it's intense. But do you really need it? That's the big question, isn't it? How do parents explain the difference between wants and needs in a way you actually understand? It's not just about saying no, it's about teaching you something important. Here's a simple way to start. Let's break it down. Needs are things we can't live without, like food, a place to live, and clothes. These are essentials that keep us healthy and safe. Wants are things that are fun, but we don't have to have them. They add joy and excitement to our lives, but they're not crucial for our survival. Okay, I guess I can live without this. It's a small victory when you start to understand, but not my peanut butter sandwich. Exactly. It's about finding that balance between needs and wants. And here's the tricky part. Kids don't always think about what's important long term. Your world is very much in the now. You just see something cool and want it now. It's all about instant gratification for you. So next time you ask for a toy, try this. It's all about strategy and understanding. Acknowledge your feelings. I see you really love that toy. This shows that your parents understand and respect your feelings. Explain money choices. Right now, we're spending on things we need first. This helps you understand priorities and budgeting. Offer a plan. Maybe we can save up for it together. This teaches you the value of saving and working towards a goal. Wait, I can save my own money for it? Cool. This empowers you and gives you a sense of control. This is just a starter to help you have the conversation with your parents. It's a journey, and every step counts. Learning about wants versus needs isn't about hearing no all the time. It's about making smart choices. It's about having the tools you need to navigate life. How do you handle the "can I get this toy" question? Share your tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments. Your experiences can help other kids too. It's never too late to learn. Every moment is a new opportunity to understand and grow. Share the video to someone who needs to know more about this topic. Subscribe now.